NCOAR's approach to addressing the opioid crisis is unique in two ways. One is that we received $20 million in opioid settlement funds from the Attorney General, which I think really signifies Arkansas's dedication to solving this issue. There is a lot of opportunity for us in terms of helping infants and children who've been exposed to opioids in utero go on to live their best life. And there's also a lot of opportunities for us to support families who've been impacted by someone who has a substance use disorder. There are so many advancements happening right now in terms of learning the neurobiology and how the brain reacts to these substances, as well as how we can use the neurobiology to advance treatment approaches. The other really exciting aspect is in the technology realm. So using things like sensors to monitor biological rhythms like heart rate so that tailored, personalized approaches can be used in treatments. And we'll also be looking at ways we can use artificial intelligence. So I think we're just going to be able to work with AI to really just advance how fast science is developed. So there's going to be a lot of potential there. I think that the public can be part of the solution by having conversations. So by that, I mean reaching out to us with any questions, concerns, ideas. We would love to hear from you. Talking to your healthcare providers about any concerns you might have with your children or yourself. And the same goes for other professional partnerships. So the schools that you may work with is another opportunity. So trying to just talk about this issue more, so that will all help reduce the stigma associated with it. For children, families, parents who are considering becoming involved with NCOAR's research, I would say just reach out to us. There's lots of different ways to get involved. So there could be, potentially joining a study as a study participant. But say you're not ready or you're not at that point, reach out to us and you could talk about what is actually involved in being in a research study. So maybe you just want to learn in general what happens. Everything in research is voluntary. That means everything from you don't want to answer one question on one survey, you can skip it all the way up into you can discontinue your participation in a study at any time. And knowing that it's really you who chooses what happens with your data gives people a lot of empowerment to join studies.